In this video, we will discuss conversion graphs. You have to keep two things in your mind, that conversion graphs will always be estimated or approximated. And second, you have to look at your graph and according to that do your questions or whatever parts you have. So let's solve the question 1 and let's see how we can do it. The graph shows the conversion from euros to Japanese yen. In the y-axis they have given you the yen, and the x-axis they have given you the euros, and it's a straight line graph. So they ask you to convert 90 euros to yen. How much 90 euros equal to how much? Yens. So what you need to do, look at your graph and tell the estimated value. So here's our 90 euros and it exactly matches 12,000 yen. Yeah, you can simply write that it's equal to 12,000 yen. Like this. Okay, let's move on towards part B. Convert 8,000 yen to euros. Okay, so here's our 8,000 and it matches 60 euros over here. So you again have to write 60 euros equal to 8,000 yen. Yeah. So let's move on towards our part C. A shop in Japan says that it will accept euros. Adam pays 100 euro note for a camera that costs 6,000 yen. How many yen should he receive in change? So let's see, 100 yen. And you can see that this line crosses over here and that's equal to 13,000. This line, okay, 13,000 yen. And it's a bit above. It's between 13,000 and 14,000 yen. But if you can see that it's 135 yen and it's a bit before that, you can just simply say that 100 euros equals to estimated value 13300 euros. So you can simply say that because it's a bit before that 135 and between 135 and 13,000 euros. All right, so 100 euros equals to 13300 yen. So how much will be the rest of the money? You just have to cancel out this with this and you will get the change. All right, so that will be the answer of C. Let's check out another example. The graph shows the cost per month of using units of electricity. So they have given you the cost in dollars and units along the x-axis. So we have to solve the parts by using the estimated value by looking at our graph. What is the cost per month of using 80 units of electricity? So 80 units of electricity, and you can see that it's exactly between $120 and $140, and that's 130. So you can say that $130 equals they are having 80 units at that much money. Okay, that's well is $210. How many units of electricity did he use? So now we have to see along our y-axis. This is our $210 and we have to match it exactly along the x-axis and that's 220. So we can say that 220 units if their bill is to $10. Okay, so next month Zach's bill is $50. How many units of electricity did he use? Okay, $50. So he used 0, no units, or you can say no units. No units, because it exactly crosses that 0 units. Yeah, that's it.